Welcome to RAISINS.live, your all-in-one platform for experimental data analysis. To get started, go to Statistical Genetics and choose GGE Biplot Analysis. Tap Get Started to reach the login page. Then enter your email and password to sign in. Once you're in, go to the Analysis tab. Click Browse to upload your data file. After uploading the file, you need to select the Environment column. Next comes the Genotype column and then select the variables. Click Run Analysis to generate your results. You can download the output in Word, PDF, or HTML formats. For presentation-ready visuals, head to the GGE Biplots tab to create. Basic Biplot. Mean versus Stability Biplot. Which one where Biplot. Environment Discrimination Biplot. Examine Environment Biplot. Rank Environments Biplot. Examine Genotype Biplot. Rank Genotypes Biplot. Compare Genotypes Biplot. Environment Relationships Biplot. All plots are fully customizable. You can customize them according to your needs. In the Mean Tables tab you will get Mean Value of Environments table. Mean Value of Genotypes table. If you want to show environment-wise genotype means, enable this key. If you have any doubts, click FAQs. Get started with RAISINS.live and make your data speak.